My brothers and sisters, democracy is in danger, not just here but in the region. The jokes we have witnessed in the region recently that passed for election, very dangerous jokes, are threatening to spill over to parts of our country, and we are looking that we want to borrow from those very dangerous. This is the time to stand firm in defense of democracy. Number one. Number two, I've said this before. Anyone who's betting for our differences, you will lose your bet. You will lose your bet. We are going to stand together and we are going to remain united. Our ambitions and our challenges, our individual interests, pale completely and are nothing compared to the unthinkable and unimaginable possibility of the continuation of this administration. Finally, because this is an opportunity I have in public to say this, tafadhali serikali, instead of bribing people around, use that money for capitation. Take that money to schools so that we help our children. Season to a bribery season, going all over the country bribing people. Why do you bribe people if you are doing the right thing? That's what reasonable people do. That is how Singapore became Singapore.
Ati mnasemaje? Ati DP mnasemaje? DP ni one time. Asante sana. I'm very honored to be here to congratulate my brother and elder Justin Bidan Muturi for being elected as party leader of Jubilee, of DP, and to fly the flag for the party. I'm very proud to be associated with the DP for 3 reasons. All of us started with the DP, ilianzishwa na mzee ya kwetu nyumbani Mwai Kibaki. Number 2, DP na DCP karibu inafanana. Si ndio? And we are all one time. And we are happy to have joined DP in Bere for the by-election, uchaguzi ambayo tulishinda tukaibiwa. We are here to say, the people of Kenya are telling me, and I believe they are telling all of you, they don't know who will be president, but they know who will not be. Watu wa Kenya wameamua ni nani hata kuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Hawajui ni nani. Wametuambia sisi yote tutoe Ruto. Hapo ndio mnataka hata nyinyi. I want to give my commitment and that of DCP that we shall make whatever sacrifices necessary to have one presidential candidate to make William Ruto one term. As we speak here about on the occasion of this occasion, we remember Mwai Kibaki, that great man from Udaya.